Hey, so I've got a bunch of guides explaining how you cut text out of an image, but we're going to do it again but with a little bit more pizzazz. We're going to make it look a little bit better. Right, so 3000, we'll set up a new document. Right, now I've got this image of some grass. Scrolling, yeah, that looks decent. Right, now we need some text, so we'll draw the text box. I'll go with grass, I guess. Centralize that, we'll change it to white. Bump the size up a little bit. We want it to fill as much of the space as we can. That's too much. Perfect. Right. I kind of want to change the font a little bit. Arial's getting a little bit boring. That's really squished together. Right, let's reset this. Yeah. We'll cycle through. You know what, we'll go back to Arial. We'll play it safe. We'll go bold, black. Nah, bold. Okay, now we'll bring these in a little bit. Like that. Take a little bit more space, we can stretch it up a little bit. Right, we'll bring that down. I don't like that the R's touching. Let's go with fresh. Why not? Okay, so we need a spot where there's some good textures going on. Stay there for now. Right, now we need to select the inverse, so select everything but the text. Turn contiguous off. And we'll get in those little gaps there. Okay, so we'll hide that. You can see that everything else except the text is selected. We'll make a new layer. So on that layer, we're just going to colour in everything except the text, so it's going to be like a little cutout for where the text is. That way, because we've got this layer over it, we can drag and reposition, the text basically. So we'll take that down a little bit. So now that we've got our text cut out, we're gonna get these little bits here. So we're gonna rub out a little bit of this layer 1, and we'll bring some of those grass blades in, so that it's not just like a clean cutout. Let's try the quick selection tool, just because I know everyone doesn't have a drawing tablet and this might be a little bit quicker for people. We'll just select little parts of the strands. You don't have to select the whole blade of the grass. We just want to break up the clean text a little bit. Right, I can see this is going to get boring, so I'm going to speed this up. Right, so when we've got our selection, we're going to go to layer 1 and press delete, and that's going to bring back some of the grass blades like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go around all of the letters, and we're going to keep doing that just to break them up a little bit. I'm going to switch to the eraser tool, and I'm going to quickly power through this, just because I have a drawing tablet, and it's a lot easier with the drawing tablet than it is using the quick selection thing. Yeah, I'll just speed it up. just finishing up these last little bits here. So as you can see, we've just chopped up the cleanliness of the lines on the font, and we can drag and move this layer 1 around as well to reposition it if we want to, so we can find a better patch for the font, but I like where it was. So we'll go back to that. We can also change the saturation and the hue slightly, so we'll go to image adjustment and hue saturation. So this one changes the colour. We'll stick with green and we'll go a little bit more green. Get looking a little bit more fresh. Okay, and there you go, guys. That's how you add a little bit to your image cutout. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, press the like button and please subscribe. See you next time. Bye.